And then I solve a Leetcode linked list circle. Basically, no my linked list, and I will say, you check it. Say if there is a cycle in a linked list. So there are different types of linked lists, right? You will singular linked list and you will circular linked list. Where example I'm with my baby to say, right? 3 equal 2 equal 0 equal -4. -4 na ba BCC. With that, no, it shows there is a circle in it, right? And basically, no, I'm besides say how do we determine if there is a circle in it, right? The standard algorithm I did testing is a way to my like backo fast. No I backo slow. 2 pointers. 2 pointer. One is a fast backo a fast pointer and backo a 2 pointer. Fast it move twice, right? Into no now we no so backo. But because a circle at some point both fast and a slow no. Ni na ba be shall baby back because we contem now we so echo slow we call back now we echo 2, right? We jump fast no call 1 2 now we echo 1 inti we send back 1 2 now be shall na back on so echo 1 now cycle 1 2 bi inti at some point no me no fast ni slow ni na ba be shall 1 point. So basically this is how I best solve it, right? It's just fast, slow, pointer approach, right? Easy, simple question. So let's so on my head. So if not head or not head dot next, return false, right? Because say way in your now is there's nothing, right? There's no need. And as I say back pair, right? Say back up and be behind twice nothing, right? It's in a false. We need to determine say a circle. And so your set is slow is any equal to head. Fast also equal to head. And so while fast and fast dot next, right? Slow is equal to slow dot next, and a fast equal to fast, because we can say fast and we move 2 steps, right? Into fast dot next. If slow is equal to fast, no one return it true, because at some point slow need way else return false, right? And it's basically this is how you solve linked list circle. Determine I'll be determines a circle man as a circle, right? If slow is equal to double equal to, all right? Into this is how you solve linked list circle. Into thank you for watching. We'll see you on next one.